Armortex bullet-resistant fiberglass panels provide reliable ballistic protection while blending seamlessly into residential, commercial, and government environments. Always follow proper safety procedures during installation. Panels are available in standard sizes with cut-to-size options for virtually any project. Lightweight and easy to install, Armortex panels require only common construction tools. Secure panels using self-tapping screws at recommended fastening points. Adhesive can be added for extra strength. Panels can be installed with butt joints, corners, and custom cutouts for maximum flexibility. For optimal protection, install panels on the threat-facing side of interior or exterior walls. Panels help reduce ricochet and spalling and can be finished with paint, laminates, or other surface treatments. Finish out with drywall or specified finish material. Door, window, and other ballistic offerings can be inquired on. To learn more or request a custom quote, visit armortex.com.